Alright, here I am. I'm going to help you understand how to put a Bluecat beacon on the platform using the Eddystone UID. So here I am in my dashboard. First thing you need to do here is go and create a new region, which I did, called testing for the platform. You just basically you click right here, you add the name, and then you can give it the code that you need right here. Just click on the gear wheel. Okay, I'll make another region just so you can see another test for the platform. Okay, save that. Okay, so now you have those. Alright, so now you're going to go back here to beacons, and in this case we're going to pull a beacon and we're going to use C20. Okay, so I've already done that. I created a test one here. You see that? Alright, so I'm going to use this one right here. So I'm just going to click right here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a name that I know. In this case, okay, test 2 for platform. Okay, I want to save that. Booyah. Alright. Of course, I've pulled the blue tab out of the beacon so that it is now active, and I know what it is. Alright, I'm going to click on settings and updates. I'm going to do this before I do anything else. Okay, and I'm going to go to edit, click on edit. I'm going to immediately change the platform, the region, excuse me. I'll just click that and I'm going to save it. I'm going to do that before I do anything else. Okay, alright. So what I'm going to do here immediately, just so you can see this, I'm going to pause. Okay, so here are my beacons. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to find this beacon that I just created, which was, what did we say, C20, testing for new platform. See it right there? I'm going to go right there. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to update it. Alright, it's writing all that. Close that. Now if you notice here, now it says region, another test for the platform. Okay, good there? Alright, so let me pause that. I'll show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so here we are back at the dashboard. What we're going to do here is now we're going to edit this again, right? Another test platform. If you need to change the settings here, you can do that. I will do that. And I'll save that first before going further. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to edit this, right? We're going to edit this. So now we have a namespace right here, right? And we have an instant ID. So what I normally do is click that, then I jump down here and I change those last two numbers to something else. Like in this case, I'm going to do 81, right? And then right here, we're going to have to put a UID. Now, how it works on the platform, what you want to put there is https, okay, / phy.es, / then the Eddystone, then the beacon ID, which is 50002, capital C20, okay? And then you're going to save that, okay? You're going to save that. There's a reason. Okay, there's a reason. All right, so that's saved. I know that doesn't. I know it doesn't say that here, but that is totally irrelevant at this point. So let me show you again what we're going to do. I'm going to pause the video. So here we are back on the mobile app. Okay, and I'm going to go down here and I'm going to update the settings. Okay, click update. Close. Okay. Now it is going to notice here is going to give me a namespace UID that I have to edit. So I'm going to click here, right? And I'm going to go down here to instant ID, and I'm going to change that to mine. Okay, I want to change that to, what did we say that was? 81. 81. All right. And the URL, remember, is https://phy.es/ the beacon number, which is up there at the top, okay, 50002, sorry, capital C 20. All right, then we're going to click continue, update, and close. So you should see that is all here. Okay, there it is right there. You see that, and of course the namespace is right there with 81. You see all that? Okay, so now we want to go. Let me set. Oh, I did all that without recording. Here we go. Hang on. Okay, sorry about that. Now we're going to go back to the over to the beacon platform. Okay. In this case, we're going to add a beacon. Add a beacon, and it's a new one. Registered. Bluecats. Stuff getting in the way. All right, so we know we have 50002C20. That's our beacon number, right? There's the instruction right there. That's this and this match. Okay, next. Okay, edit namespace UID. So I just jump over here and I grab it right here. Copy. And I'm going to paste it right here. Paste. Notice that you're going to have that. And it's not going to be right because it's going to leave off the letter on the end. So copy it again. Copy. Come back. Control V. There we go. Alright. So there it is. And we got to get the instant ID here, which is 81. Hit that. Save it. Next. Then you're going to have the physical ID, which is already there, right? You don't have to do anything. You just got to put that right there. Okay. Now your alias. Test beacon 2 for platform demo. Okay, finish. Okay, it says it's done. Now we got to add a message to that one, so we're just going to click on it. Right, and add a message, and we want to add it to something that is HTTPS, so we can see it. All right, so I'm just going to do this DER. I'm going to use my V card. And then we're going to test that, validate, yes, okay, yeah. To check out my biz card, tap here. All right, so add message to the campaign, yes. Good job, okay. Always click update beacon just in case. Okay. All right, so now let me show you what that looks like on the phone. Okay, so here we are on our phone. I'm going to just make sure one more time, update settings, update. All right, so we haven't set the Eddystone URL. We just set the Eddystone UID. Okay, that's all we've done to this beacon. Okay, so we see we're in custom mode. You see that? You see we're in the shout. Target speed is walk. Eddystone URL is set to that. Eddystone UID, namespace, etc. Okay, so we're good to go, right? No problem. So update, make sure we're good to go. Confirm, close. Now let's go to nearby. And look at there. There it is already on there. So let's refresh it. There it is right there. Check out my biz card, tap here. That was a message we put. There's the other one that I created earlier to test it with. Tap here to see my marketing biz, which is I did the exact same thing. So I did it twice in a row. It works, just so everybody knows. So you're good to go. That's how you do that. And if you, of course, want to add the Eddystone URL to this concept so that you can point this to numerous places, you can do that as well. I'm going to stop and do that so you can see. Okay, I changed the message on the platform just so you can see it. I'll show you again. I changed the message on the platform to another card, V card. There's my biz card. And then notice it should bring up. Look, here's my biz card, tap for help. That was the message I changed it to on the platform. So there's that. Okay, so hang on. I'm going to do one more thing to show you how else it works.